Hey guys, so we have these portable chairs, but it's so hard to put them in here. And it's very annoying to try to put them in. See, because it's really taut. And it gets stuck right here and here. So what we're gonna do is cut a line right here and then sew a zipper on it, okay? Okay, so first get your sewing machine ready and put that thread in there. If you don't know how to do this, I'm sure there's other YouTube videos that show you how to set up your sewing machine. Next, I put the zipper against the back just to eyeball how much I'm going to cut, and just go ahead and cut there in the middle. If you want to be precise, you could measure and not do things twice, but I fell a little short, so I have to cut a little more. Okay, so here I have the bag inside out and the zipper is inside out also, or backwards. Now you're going to put the front part of the zipper against the front part of the bag, just like this. Flip that over and start sewing. If you don't want to hear me talking, you could turn the volume down and just look at the video. It's kind of self-explanatory. If you notice here, the presser foot that I'm using is for zippers. That way it doesn't get in the way of the zipper. And even though it's made for zippers, I still like to put the zipper down. That way the line stays straight and it doesn't go all wonky. I'm just cutting the thread here, and this is what it looks like at this point. Okay, now I have the bag inside out and we're gonna sew on that other part. And there's two ways you can do this. I actually sewed 4 of these bags. So this is one way I did it. I started from the bottom and then I went to the top. I know you can't see the zipper here, you only see the bag. The zipper is on the other end, obviously. And this is the other way I was talking about. You can actually go from the top all the way to the bottom on the zipper side. And that makes it a little easier if you want to look at where the zipper's at. Bring that zipper up when you get to it. That way it doesn't get in your way. No wonky lines wanted. And keep sewing down. And I'm done sewing both sides of the zipper onto the bag. And it's left over with the little tail. I'm just cutting some extra thread right here. You can put that tail down into the bag through the little hole that's left, and it'll just stay in there. You can sew it down if you don't want it to move out anymore, but it, it most likely won't. So I just leave it like that. And ta-da! We're done. And yay, now I won't get frustrated every time we go to events and I have to put these chairs in and out. So then you just zip it, shut it, and that was easier than it used to be. And we're ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.